Yes, guys, best digital products to sell on Etsy. Let's go. So, guys, look, I'm gonna give you some real cool ideas that you can sell on Etsy with regards to digital products, guys. I do a lot of research on this, and here we go. We've got one idea for you guys. It's called a digital photography backdrop. They're getting to be pretty popular. I'll give you some ideas here, guys. Look at some of these backdrops. I'm going to show you this one. 2-pack Easter Bunny digital background, £10.49. Look how much it's sold. I mean, that's just the reviews, but it's crazy. Sales must look 20,000. Guys, 20,000 of these little digital backgrounds, right? That is crazy, right? That is crazy. But that is all it is. It's very simple. These are kind of, I think this is like an Easter theme backgrounds. But these photography, these backgrounds, photography backgrounds have become really, really popular, guys. And it's something quite simple to kind of get into. But guys, it's crazy, you know? It's so cool. And people really are starting to buy this, and it's getting quite popular, like I said. And I think it's something really you need to look into. If you haven't seen this before and you haven't looked at this before, then you need to start looking into this, because I think it's such a cool, easy-ish backdrop to kind of get into. Look at this one. This one's quite popular, although it's quite cheap. On the cheaper side, it's 70% off. But this one's a Valentine's newborn digital backdrop photography composite, and these are not hard. Look at this. Visit my bundle collection, get extra discount. This is pretty cool, but this is something that I think you really should look into. And people are really wanting to buy these backgrounds more and more. And you can create this in many places, even Canva, guys. You could even create it in Canva. Remember, you can check out all my softwares, my free trial softwares, in the description below, guys. But yeah, you could create it even on there, and it's pretty cool, But I think these are going to be even more popular as time goes on, because people do love them. So yeah, guys, check it out. That's one. That's one to look at. Another one that I've got that I did a bit of research on is something called a wedding weekend. Now, look, we know that weddings have some of the best digital products, like invitations and things like that. There's so many in the wedding niche that people use and do and buy. So, but I've chosen something a little bit different, because it's less competition in this one. But again, there's still a demand, and you can see this from even, like, look at this wedding. We call it a wedding weekend or wedding itinerary, right? Template. And these are fantastic, guys. Look at this. £15. I'll show you this one. £15 for this one. And like I said, these are templates, templates that can get edited. Pack of 10. You could do this in Canva again. But these are amazing, guys. These are really cool. And look, they're simple. That's all they are. They're like I said, they're just like a itinerary card, and then personalized layout designs there. And you can, for this person that's doing it, they got select an option of the type of design, like a birds or owl, number of cards they want, and then also you got a select price for those, which they can do for you. And make sure that they get the right stuff on there. But guys, look, it's not hard. Look at it. It's the easiest thing, And again, you can create this quite easily in Canva. But yeah, these are pretty good. Actually, this one is not digital. What am I doing? All right, let me get back to the template ones. Okay, that first one is actually real. Apologies. I was gonna say, why is it so expensive? Anyways. So here we got, oh, here's another handmade one. Okay, that's not what I want. Let me go to digital. Yes, guys. Okay, here's another one, guys. Here's another one. So digital wedding. Now look, we know that the wedding niche is massive, guys, and there's so much out there, whether it be for invitations, whether it be the cards. This weddings like are massive, and in fact, for digital products, weddings are amazing. Now, I chose something that has less competition, which is called the wedding itinerary templates, right? These are really cool as well. So these itinerary templates, traditionally, obviously, they have the printed version, which people have, but more and more now, again, like the other things in the wedding niche, the digital itinerary is becoming more popular. Now, look, it's still early days. Not, I wouldn't say early days, but it's still something that you can get into. Because people do like them, having it on the phone now, really, to be honest. And they like a really cool design. So look, I'll just click on one. Here's this one at £6, £5.65 actually right now. Phone weekend itinerary editable template. You can create these on in Canva. These are amazing. And look, that's all it is. It's £5.65 for a simple itinerary. Look, it's not even hard to do. Look, they even show you that it's Canva, and it shows you that it's like, this is a phone version. This is Canva showing you that you could easily create it, and then people that when they buy it, they can edit it as well, because people do like editing templates, right? And that's all it is. It's so easy. But I think check out the weekend itinerary editable template, which is something I think is really cool. Look at this. Just an example. 32,000 guys. 225 cells. £5.65 each. That's at 40% off. So it's actually nearly £9. Nearly £9. 32,225 cells. Guys, that's amazing. This is one of the simplest things to create, by the way, as well. It's not even hard. So guys, you can do this on Canva easily, so quickly as well. And look, some of these are selling loads of these. 60. Look at this one. I mean, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. 268,000 of these very simple wedding weekend itineraries, guys. Look at this. Amazing. So easy to do as well. Look at it. It's not even hard to do, right? So, guys, that's my second one, guys. I hope you like that one. So check it out. And remember, if you want to create something so easy in Canva. So let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one, guys. What else have I got in store for you? Okay, so simple wedding, editable wedding planner. I'm going to just type in editable. So staying with the wedding niche, if you like. In the wedding niche, there's so much that you can do because it's so popular as well. You got things like, look at that, 90 plus pages, wedding planner, printable Canva. And look, Canva, I can't say enough times, it's such an amazing thing. And it gives you this one. I mean, this one's it's quite a lot there, 90 plus pages. Look at this. But these are very simple. Like I said, you can get templates of these in Canva quite easily, quite quickly. And then, the person who buys it probably wants to edit it slightly. Guys, the other thing I will say is I use EVERBEE to help me rank in terms of Etsy. So if you want to help with ranking your Etsy digital products, then check out EVERBEE in the link in the description below. You get a free trial and it's fantastic. Helps you rank, helps you analyze products, do your product research. It's really cool. And I use it for my own research. And like I said, look, these cards, again, I'm sticking to the wedding niche. Here's another one, guys, I got for you. Check it out. I'm sticking to the wedding niche, right? Bridesmaid info card templates. Guys, look, there's so much in this wedding niche. It's ridiculous. Don't go with the traditional stuff. Look at this. This result has 1,310 competition, right? Not too much competition. Obviously, these ones are massive. Look at this. Bridesmaid info card template, 1,680 reviews, all right? Quite a lot. But look, as you go down, and this is page 1, guys, you know, you can get yourself ranked up. Actually, it's quite busy here. But look at this, £3.85. Look at that. Bridesmaid info card template, £6.28. And that's got 6 reviews, so that's quite new. Again, these bridesmaid cards, guys, they're not, you know, they're not hard to do. Look at it. Look at that design. £6.28 for a very simple one. I mean, this one's quite new. So already got 34 sales, right? Digital download, and you can create this very quickly. Again, once again, look at this. So easy. It's a bridesmaid card, right? Look at that. That's not really that hard. And this is something that's becoming popular as well. Like I said, in the wedding niche, some of the like obvious things are quite saturated, but I would say there are things on the outside like bridesmaid info cards, like the wedding planner printables, even though that one's a bit kind of busy, but you've got other things as well. You know, like the itinerary, the minimalist or the wedding weekend itinerary template, like we looked at also, which is really cool. And I think within, like I said, within good niches, like the wedding niche is a good niche, like for digital downloads, there are many things within it that you can find. Like I said, like the bridesmaid info card, this is fantastic and so easy as well. And it's something where you can also rank quite well in. So, you know, I think it's very important to look at these. Now, I've got another one, which is, I think it's definitely more popular. This one's definitely obviously more popular. It's called a budget planner, printable budget planner. But sometimes with more popular ones, the volume in terms of like the demand for it is massive. So the demand for this is quite big. Right, it's pretty big. So it's something that you can still get into. And look, you know, you got people that are starting with this and they're getting into it with quite new as well. You know, you got these guys that have been doing it for like ages with lots of reviews. Like here's lots of reviews, but some people that are getting in with less, with not so much, you know. Here's you know, there's some here. But budget planners, editable, printable budget planners are pretty cool, right? So this one's printable, this one's printable planner, minimal. And again, you know, sometimes if you want to get specific and you just want to make sure that it's something that is Canva related, because like I said, it's something that can be created quite quickly in Canva. You know, so it's good to know like which ones are sometimes the Canva ones, and you can find them sometimes. You know, sometimes they'll tell you, sometimes they won't. Like here, you got the editable wedding budget, the wedding budget planner, £15. So if you click on it, it looks like it's quite a big bundle, 27 sheets. But like I said, doing it in Canva is quite simple, very easy, and then also make it editable. You know, people like that. So look, there you go. It's literally just columns and words. Nothing complicated about that one. And again, it says made in Canva and you can edit it in Canva. Send the link and then they can edit it. Look at this. 5,202 sales at £15. Not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. Pretty cool. So this is another one that you could, you know, try out and go for. But yeah, I think there's a few there, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like some of these ideas, but like I said, you know, I think, you know, just make sure, try to go for something that, and if you haven't used Canva, you got to try out Canva, because then you can create it all yourself. You know, try it out. You can try it out for free or go for the pro version. I'll give you a free trial in the link in my description with all my other softwares that I use for everything that I do. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, guys, as well. And if you did, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget to check out my playlist on everything else to do with Etsy. Should be at the top there. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next video.